Hi guys, Catherine here. So today I'm going to show you a few really easy and quick recipes for making your own homemade disinfectant wipes. So the first step, the first recipe that we'll be making today is with rubbing alcohol. So what you'll need is some 70% alcohol or more, 99% is great. And you'll also be needing some dish soap and some water and some paper towel, and I recommend buying the best that you can just because it will be more durable. And lastly, you'll also need a container for putting the paper towel in. So the first step is just to measure how high up the roll you need to cut to put the paper towel in here. So I'm just going to cut this right in half. So now that I have the paper towel cut in half, I'm just going to place it into the container. So this one has a lot of room, so I'm going to put the whole roll, so both pieces, and then I'm just going to set this to the side. So now we're just going to mix up the solution. So you just want to grab a measuring cup. I recommend just buying a new one from the dollar store. It just costs $1. And this way you can keep it in your bathroom just for making cleaning supplies instead of grabbing something off the shelf. It's good just to keep things separate. So you just need to measure out 2 cups of water. And now add in 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. And now you're going to want to add in 1 tablespoon of dish soap. And I'm just giving it a stir. And now you just pour it over the rolls. And you let that soak in. You can just pull the cardboard tube out and it will pull out your first cloth. So there you go. So I'm just going to pull out the second tube. So now you can just store these in your laundry room or underneath your sink, and these are great for cleaning off countertops and helping with spills. So for the second recipe, I'm going to be using this container. So all you have to do is just take your paper towel and measure and just sort of eyeball it to where you want it to be cut. And then you're just going to cut through the paper towel so that it will fit into the container. So now that I have the paper towel cut, I'm just going to open the container and place the paper towel into the container. And now I'm going to take my solution, and that was 2 cups of water to 3 tablespoons of bleach. And you can also add in some essential oils if you want, just for fragrance. So once you've let this, you just want to leave this sit for around a minute or so, just for it to penetrate the paper. And then you just grab the center roll, and it should just pull out really smoothly. And then you can just grab your first piece right from the center. And there you go. And I hope that you find these 2 recipes helpful for cleaning your home. And make sure to leave any questions or comments below, and make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next time.